Hey everybody, and welcome back to the Mind Catchers channel. Today I'm here to show you some beautiful phone cases from a company called i-Blason.com. They were kind enough to sponsor this video. They sent me two of their beautiful phone cases, one of which I chose to do an inspired eyeshadow tutorial for. So as you can see, it's the Cosmo series. It has stars, pink glitters. It is so girly and cute. It is protecting my iPhone XR. As you can see, this beautiful marble design with gold. It is absolutely gorgeous. I really couldn't decide which one I wanted to do the tutorial for, but I had some little star glitters in a case and I said I want to try these out. I never opened up the pack, so this is what I chose. Your iPhone cases will arrive to you nice and protected. You see the bubble envelope. Inside the bubble envelope, you're going to get them inside of a box like this. When you open up the box, they're going to be protected even further. They have a nice little container. I ripped mine open, and it has some instructions on how to open up the phone case. Now, I didn't show that part because they do have a tutorial on their site which is showing you each step in how to open up the phone case. You're going to separate the front of the phone case from the back, and they're going to walk you straight through it. It was a very easy process. The very first time was a little hard because the case is brand new, but each time I took them off and put them back on, it got easier and easier. So every phone case will come with the installation guide. And like I said, you could go on the website and watch the lady do the tutorial too. So without further ado, I'm going to show you how I came up with this eyeshadow look. And we're going to see how close I was able to match this phone case. So stay tuned. Alright guys, I came as close as possible. I'm hoping I can do a split screen with the phone case. I think I came as close as possible. I'm going to finish up my bottom lash line. I'm going to add a little primer. And I'm going right behind that primer with a little bit of Lash Paradise. I'm going to put a little bit of blush on my cheeks. I'm loving this one, always have, from Milani, Romantic Rose. And that's a matte blush. I'm just going to put a little bit of sheen over it from the Malika and Chloe collaboration with Becca. Going to put a little bit of that over it. And since our eyes have so much going on, we're gonna go ahead and do something neutral with our lips. Just gonna put a little gloss over that. And we're gonna put a little bit of setting spray. This is from Urban Decay. So, you guys, check out iBlason.com for their Cosmo cases. It was kind of hard finding an XR phone case, so I'm so glad they thought of us. I'm loving my XR. I love the phone picture quality and all of that stuff. That's why I upgraded to this particular phone. And like I said, it's been hard finding cases for the phone, so I'm glad that they do it. They have several other cases, so please check them out. They also carry other iPhone cases, not just the XR, so you guys definitely check them out. They're 10 feet drop tested. They have dual layer designs. You have your front case and the back case. You have precise cutout for easy access. I'll leave all information down below. Affordable phone cases, check them out. Okay guys, I'll talk to you in the next video. Cyber kisses. Bye.